Hello, I'm Tracy. I'm about to reveal a secret to you, an ingredient that is missing from most of the success formulas out there today, which is why they don't work. Without this magic ingredient, your dreams and goals fall flat, no matter what they are or how long you've had them. But with this magic ingredient, you can accomplish anything and everything you want to, and it's called self-discipline. You remember the book and the movie, The Secret? Well, the real secret is not that if you roll your eyeballs and think happy thoughts, you'll be successful. The real secret is if you're absolutely crystal clear about what you want, and then you discipline yourself to do the things necessary to achieve it, nothing can stop you. Take a moment, if you would, to consider your biggest goals: health, happiness, and so on. Would you like to double your income? Would you like to lose weight? Get in shape, get out of debt? What would you like to do? Well, if you can develop your self-discipline, you'll be able to accomplish all of those goals and much more. Literally nothing can stop you. I've heard self-discipline aptly described as the ability to do what you know you should do, even when you don't feel like doing it. You see, anybody can do anything if they feel like it. It's when you don't feel like it and you do it anyway that you put yourself on the side of the angels. As with so many of the keys to success, self-discipline is a learned skill. This means that even if you haven't perfected it yet, you can begin now. It's like a habit. You can develop the habit of discipline so it's automatic and easy. So what's stopping you? Take action now and learn more about my Miracle of Self-Discipline package, in which I've distilled my decades worth of experience into an easy-to-follow plan for accomplishing more in the next month than most people do in years. So please get this program, listen to it, learn it, and get started now.